stick. Gotta wear my helmet when I'm hula hooping. Hey, I'm a lizard, got some Hello Kitty. Godzilla versus Reptar.
Washington my Jeep like, what up, I got a monkey. I'm so happy, got some ponies from the toy store. I found a pink dog, then I opened my umbrella. It's 2 o'clock, gotta play date with Cinderella. Dora teach me how to speak in Espanol. Hello Kitty's gonna let me rock and roll. I got some whole cans in the 302. And I found some human hands in a Pikachu. Buzz. Hey, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So I grabbed the bouncy ball and threw it over my head. I found a really angry bird and then I tried to steal Fred. These babies on the box make me really wanna cry, or hit a golf ball straight into the sky. Riding through the aisles, getting dirty looks from guys. Buying new flip-flops, I think these are my size. Hello there, Sonic, they call me Spider-Man. I play with lightsabers and I live in Japan. I slide through the store on my belly like a penguin. A zebra tried to fight me, so I attacked him with a platypus. Then he came back and I blocked him with my shield. I know how to fight, I watch WWE. I hit my knee, playing in a sandbox, disguised as a turtle, he'll eat you.
I'm on a pogo stick, gotta wear my helmet when I'm hula hooping. Hey, I'm a lizard, got some Hello Kitty. Godzilla versus Reptar. I'm on a pogo stick, gotta wear my helmet when I'm hula hooping. Hey, I'm a lizard, got some Hello Kitty. Godzilla versus Reptar.
So I grabbed the baby bottle and I gave it to my cow. He's really extra soft and he knows how to meow. I'm riding on a train and it's taking me to Rome. I even named my tricycle Jerome. People call me Josh cause they think that's my name, but have you ever ate a sandwich while playing board games? One Direction is my life and Barbie is my wife. Get over here, Ken, got $100 to spend. I'm at the toy store having a really fun time. I'm at the toy store having a really fun time. Sobo's playing with Barbies, Sobo's playing with Barbies. I really wanna go and eat KFC. Everybody's gonna come play with me at the toy store, at the toy store. I don't like to be alone at the toy store. Where are my friends? Where are my birds? I'm about to eat every single one of these eggs. My mom just texted me to buy her a burger. I'm at the toy store taking naps on the floor. I need new socks to put in my drawer. It's so empty and these socks are so hot. I want this and I want that. I am looking for a cowboy hat. If I were a princess, I'd buy this coupe. My mother really likes to drink turtle soup. I really like turtles, but come on, I ain't sipping that. When it rains, I turn into a house cat. And if I get angry, I'll name myself Pat, cause we all know I'm secretly a vampire bat.
I'm on a pogo stick, gotta wear my helmet when I'm hula hooping. Hey, I'm a lizard, got some Hello Kitty. Godzilla versus Reptar. I just flew a bubble digging in my tub. There are bubbles everywhere in a bowling pin right over there. Now I'm playing with a rubber duck. Bubbles, bubbles, duckies.
The CD was on her desk.